We are entering the Pika floor plan home on site 149 at Smith Creek Crossing. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home and is 1,700 square feet. This home features a very open floor plan, lots of windows in the living room here and into the dining room and the kitchen, where the counter has plenty of seating, plenty of cabinets in this kitchen, along with a gas range, microwave, dishwasher, beautiful countertops with matching backsplash, side-by-side refrigerator with a water and ice dispenser. This home is unique in that it has a sitting room or a den or office back here next to the kitchen with a sliding glass door out to the patio. Little seat there with some other storage, making this a very cozy open space. Notice the recessed can lighting throughout this home. Off the kitchen, we'll walk into the master bedroom. Notice there is tile in the kitchen, living room, dining room, and carpet into the bedrooms. The master bedroom has 2 very large windows. And a closet that goes the width of the room with 2 separate doors. The master bath is right off the master bedroom, and it features transom windows above the dual sinks, again with the matching countertops and backsplashes. Toilet over there behind a separate wall. Very large linen closet here in this bathroom, and one next to the shower. It's a custom tiled shower with a rainforest shower head. Stepping back through the master bedroom into the kitchen and down through the living room into this hall, where we'll find the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms, the laundry room, and a 2nd bathroom. Nice sized bedroom here, large window, another large closet in this room. Laundry room is located right off the back door. The 2nd bathroom has a full-size tub with fiberglass surround and a skylight. Matching cabinets and countertops. 3rd bedroom, 2 large windows, and another nice size closet. This home also features a Nest thermostat and several of the outlets around the home. Have USB ports for charging your devices. So I'm standing now in the living room of the Pika home. And I'll just walk out the front door and show you this beautiful deck again. The Pika home has the largest deck of all of the homes here at Smith Creek Crossing. Window treatments do come with the home. The range is gas, along with a gas forced air furnace and a gas water heater. This concludes our tour of the Pika home on site 149 at Smith Creek Crossing.